Hello students, I am Himashi teacher. Today we are going to learn about grade 8 maths lesson fractions. In this lesson you are going to learn about how to multiply a fraction by a whole number, multiply a fraction by a fraction, multiply a fraction by a mixed number, and finally multiply a mixed number by a mixed number. Okay, let's move on to the lesson. First topic is multiplying fraction by a fraction. Here you can see I have given two proper fractions and we have to multiply these fractions. How can you multiply these fractions? To do that you have to follow some steps. Here are the steps. First step is multiply the top numbers, that means numerators. First you have to multiply the numerators. 3 multiplied by 2 equals 6. 3 multiplied by 2 equals 6. Then you have to multiply the bottom numbers, that means denominators. Denominators are 3 and 4. 3 multiplied by 4 multiplied by 3 is 12. Then the answer is 6 over 12. You have to multiply numerators separately, then you have to multiply denominators separately. The answer is 6 over 12. Then third step is simplify the fraction if needed. Here you can simplify it furthermore. Yes, 6 you can cut by 6 times. Here 12 by 6 times. Then answer is 1 over 2. Okay, let's do some examples. 3 over 4 multiplied by 3 over 6. 3 multiplied by 3 9. 4 multiplied by 6 24. And next one, 3 multiplied by 1 is 3. 7 multiplied by 5 is 35. Okay, let's move on to the next topic, multiplying a fraction by a whole number. Here there is a proper fraction and a whole number. How can you multiply these? To do that you have to follow some steps. Here are the steps. First you have to make the whole number as a fraction. How? By putting it over 1. You have to put over 1 like this. Now you can multiply denominators and numerators separately. How? Let's see. 1 multiplied by 3, 3. 2 multiplied by 1 is 2. The answer is 3 over 2. Okay, let's do some examples. 2 over 3 multiplied by 5. 2 over 3. First, you have to make it as a fraction. Here I make it as a fraction. 2 into 5, 10. 3 into 1, 3. 10 down 3. Here you can see this one is an improper fraction. You have to convert it into mixed number. So how can you convert? 10 have to divide by 3. 3 times 3, 9. 1 is remaining. So 3 is the whole number and the numerator won't change, denominator won't change, and 1 is the numerator. This is the final answer, 3 and 1 over 3. Here let's see the next example. 5 over 8 multiplied by 3. First you have to make this one as a fraction by putting over 1. 5 times 3, 15. 8 times 1, 8. This one also an improper fraction. You have to make it as a proper mixed number. 8 times 1, 8. Remain 7. Okay, this one as the whole number, denominator won't change, 7 is the numerator. Okay, now we are going to discuss how to multiply a fraction by a mixed number. Here I have given two fractions. This one is a proper fraction and this one is a mixed number. To multiply these numbers, you have to follow these steps. Let's see what are the steps. First one, convert the mixed number into the improper fraction. Convert the mixed number into an improper fraction. What is the improper fraction here? Mixed number you have to convert into an improper fraction. 2 times 3, 6, 6 plus 1, 7. So numerator is 7 and denominator won't change, 2. Now you can multiply these fractions. 2 times 2, 4 is the denominator, 1 times 7, 7 is the numerator. So 7 over 4 is the answer. You can change this improper fraction into a mixed number. Okay, let's do some examples. Here are the examples. 3 over 4 multiplied by 2 and 1 over 3. First you have to convert this mixed number into an improper fraction. Let's convert. 3 times 2, 6. 6 plus 1, 7. 7 is the numerator and 3 won't change, 3 is the denominator. And you have to multiply this fraction by this answer. 3 times 7, 21. 4 times 3, 12. 21 over 12 is the answer. Now you can see this is an improper fraction. We are going to convert this fraction into a mixed number. 21 divided by 12, 1 times 12, 12, 9 are remaining. So this 1 is coming as the whole number and this 9 will be the numerator and 12 won't change, 12 is the denominator. Here you can see, you can simplify it furthermore. So you can cut it by 3 times, 3 times 3, 3 times 4. So the answer is 1 and 3 over 4. This is the final answer. This one you can do as a homework. Now we are going to do how to multiply mixed number by a mixed number. Here I have given two mixed numbers, 3 and 1 over 2. Multiply 2 and 1 over 2. Okay. To do that you have to follow these steps. First step is convert the mixed number into improper fractions. Let's convert. 2 times 3, 6. 6 plus 1, 7. 7 over 2. And here 2 times 2, 4. 4 plus 1, 5. 5 over 2. Now you can multiply numerators and denominators separately. 7 times 5, 35. 2 times 2, 4. 35 over 4 is the answer. But it is an improper fraction. You have to convert it as a mixed fraction. Let's convert. 35 divided by 4. 8 times 4, 32. And 3 are remaining. So this 8 is the whole number and 3 is the numerator and denominator won't change. 4 is the denominator. 8 and 3 over 4 is the answer. Okay children, I hope you all understood this lesson. Stay safe, stay home. God bless you.